Here we are at the Solstice, doing the 100 relay. Jackie's leading us out. I'm going second, and then Justin's going. Julie's trying to sneak in there. Somebody's got a weird little horn over there. It's almost time to get going. We're gonna get to the start, and then she's gonna get going and lead us out. Matthew Hopkin.
Morning.
What distance are you doing today?
I am doing the Hundy.
Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
Eggs and bacon. What are your chances of winning today?
You know, all I can say is that my wife's at mile 40. There's a cooler there.
And that's where you're stopping?
No, I'm planning on continuing on. Once you make Liberty, or once you make Virginia, it's all kind of downhill to Beatrice anyway.
Well, once you make Liberty, then you got to look for death, because give me Liberty or death. And you're already past Liberty, so then you got to find death.
Good Hundy.
On the next 60 miles.
Good Hundy. Happy birthday, Joe.
Foreshadowing.
Don't take pictures, Todd.
And that is the start of the Solstice 100 group. I didn't get it on camera, but they did sing happy birthday to Joe before the start, so that was kind of a neat little thing. But yeah, the hundreds are off. We're gonna go to maybe find something to eat, and then we're gonna head to the stop where we switch spots and I take over, but that's 30 miles away, so it won't be for probably at least 2 hours. So we got some time.
I know those two guys. Todd! Woohoo, Jackie! Oh no! All right, grab the pump.
Yeah, good job. Way to go. Crushing it. You got here way faster than we thought you would.
Yeah, very good.
Do you need any water or anything?
Todd was trying to pass me 1,000 times. He had a flat twice.
Really?
I'm like, are you doing that just to pass me?
Yeah.
I got a jug of water if you need water.
No, I got plenty.
David!
I think I've taken so much caffeine. I'm on a fucking caffeine high.
Wandering.
Good luck. We'll see you in a bit.
We're in the town of Virginia. Jackie just rolled through. This is mile 15. She was doing about 15 mile an hour because it's only a little after 8 now, and they start a little after 7. Doing really good. She had one puncture, but it sealed up. We looked at her tire. It seemed good to go. So we got to get moving to the next spot before she gets there before we do. Here we are in Bouchard, something with a B and something with Shard at the end. Waiting on Jackie. She should be here just about any minute. We are ready for the send-off, the handoff, the switch-off, the whatever you call it, the baton in the form of a pipe cleaner for this race, but she is really killing it. It's 2 hours into the race. We're 30 miles, 30.4 according to the official record keepers, but she should be showing up here within the next 5 minutes or so. So roughly a 15 mile an hour average. That is just crushing it, especially with this wind. Wind's picking up a little bit. It's probably 14 to 16 steady with 24, 26 gusts.
That'll be a relay. Number 2 relay.
Rob is gone. He left me in charge of the GoPro. He is currently on his route, I think, coming up the lane at Pawnee City, mile 45. So, welcome to the Ginger Show for a little bit here. Here he comes.
Let's go, Rob.
Getting ready for the third part.
Brady's I'm gonna be.
We're in Liberty.
Face yourself.
Are you ready for this?
Ready as I'm gonna be. Rob was correct in saying it sucks going last. Kind of get yourself psyched up and a lot of waiting.
It's pretty fun.
So windy. Wind has definitely switched. Coming a lot more out of the west. And definitely strong out of the south. How's it going? Yeah.
Doing great, dude. Single speed, holy shit. Rocking, dude.
That west is starting to become a headwind. Rob, how's it going? There you go.
are still waiting for Rob. He should be in any time. But the wind has came up a little bit, so it's probably sucking. I think Justin's starting to freak out. We'll see. Got it, Justin. Good job, babe.
Done with the second leg. It was 40.7 miles, 2 hours 50 minutes, 14.3 average, and there was 3,009 feet of climbing, and I felt every single one of them, and a lot of wind.
Thank you, everybody.
Nice job. I believe we are in second place out of all the relays.
I passed a lot of people.
So I think we're in second out of the whole relay, but we're first single speed.
Sun's out, guns out. Ginger's gonna have some pink shoulders.
Yeah.
Good job, man. Keep it up, keep it up.
All right, this is the Blue Springs stop. That was Justin, our final leg. This is mile 14 out of 30, so he's almost halfway done. It is hot as balls. We're gonna go back to the finish. There is one more stop for them, but we're not gonna hit that one. We're gonna go to the finish line and wait for them there. Best hat of the day goes to Amy.
Thank you.
Where does one get a hat like that?
Well, you know, I can't remember. Isn't that nice?
Not very nice.
My daughter got it.
Is it better for sun or rain, or is it equally as good?
Well, I've worn it in the rain, and it's, you know, equally as good. It helps to have a ponytail to keep it on because the wind can kind of blow it.
I don't have long enough hair for a ponytail. So good for rain, good for sun,
Yes.
good for anything.
Whatever. Yeah.
And it's fun.
And it's fun.
You just need a propeller up there like
That's
a beanie.
right. That's right.
Good job.
And that's a wrap for the Solstice 2024. I think we did it in a little under or just a little over 7 hours. Not really for sure because we got to do math, and it was 209, 210, and 250 depending on which route you were doing. Anyways, we're done now, and we're the only team, so we're first place. Yay! But I think we are second place in all relays. That includes the geared bike, so We did well. Go team. Yay! And there's Dave. I know how you guys missed Dave.
Bunton.